Hey everyone, and welcome back to the SmartMove2UK's podcast, where we explore the UK immigration to help you achieve your life goals. Today's episode is all about that nail-biting, anticipation-filled phase, UK visa tracking. You've carefully gathered your documents, filled out those endless forms, paid your fees, and now you wait. And maybe, just maybe, obsessively refresh your inbox a few hundred times. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. The waiting game is practically a rite of passage in the UK visa journey. But here's the good news. Tracking your application can actually make this process way less stressful. Knowledge is power, right? So let's dive into how you can stay informed and in control. First things first, why is UK visa tracking so important? Well, imagine this. You're picturing yourself strolling through London, sipping tea in a charming countryside cottage, maybe catching a glimpse of the royal family, but you don't actually know when your UK visa decision is coming. That makes it pretty tough to book flights, accommodation, or really plan anything with certainty. Plus, UK immigration rules can change, so staying updated helps ensure you still meet the latest requirements. And let's be real, knowing where your application stands can just give you peace of mind, so you can focus on the excitement of your upcoming UK adventure. Okay, now for the nitty-gritty. What do you actually need to track your UK visa application? The most important thing is your GWF reference number. This unique code is like your application's personal ID. You'll find it on the invoice or receipt you got from the visa application center. Keep it safe. You'll need it every time you track. Also, make sure you have your last name handy, exactly as it appears on your application, and of course the email address you used when applying. Right, let's move on to the how. Thankfully, there are a few different ways to track your UK visa application. Emails, the good old inbox. UK Visas and Immigration, or UKVI, will send you email updates about your application. Make sure you're checking regularly and don't forget that pesky spam folder. Sometimes important stuff ends up there. Text messages. If you gave UKVI your mobile number, you might get handy text updates as well. This is great for quick, on-the-go tracking. VFS Global website. VFS Global is a company that handles UK visa applications in many countries. They have a super useful website with a dedicated tracking section. Just head to their site, select your application and destination countries, the UK of course. Find the Track Your Application option and enter your details, your GWF number, last name and date of birth. You'll then be able to see your application status, on hold, in process, approved or refused. You'll get an email notification for those last two statuses as well. So those are the main tracking methods. Easy, right? But what if you're facing some hiccups? Maybe your application seems stuck or you're just not sure what a particular status means. Well, there's one more option, direct contact. You can always call the UKVI helpline if you have questions or concerns. They're there to help. Just have your application information ready when you call. That's it for today's deep dive into UK visa tracking. Remember, staying informed is key to a smoother, less stressful visa experience. Now, go forth and track those applications, fellow adventurers. And while you're waiting, why not start planning your dream UK itinerary? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more UK visa tips, tricks and insider info. And if you're feeling a bit lost in the visa maze, remember, you don't have to go it alone. The experts at the SmartMove2UK are here to help. Check out our website or give us a call for an initial free consultation. Until next time, happy travels.